Sienna, running as AH representative under the Tagahiusap Services Student.
Hello, together with Katrina, I am Marie Elise Benet Magnim, running for the position of AH representative under the Nagkahiusang Pusog sa Estudyante.
Hi, I'm Favorite Fabi and I'm running as Arts and Humanities representative under the banner of the Union of Progressive Students.
Hi, I'm Richard Jules Nestle, running as the first ever Arts and Humanities representative under the party of the Union of Progressive Students.
Cultural fees dapat allocated para sa art exhibits kaya karon mo nag-isod o pangitaw mga sponsors every time na ay mga art exhibits under the age of master. Sunod sa yung problem is ang kanang overnight na reservation kaya instead na bisan sa una magsayo na kayo sa age ng mga master dapat mo hindi po ang mga permits kaya dapat pa siya mo agi sa AGA which is a little bit more hassle than the usual.
Also sa in our department sa issues that we face is of course kakulangan sa facilities and kanang equipment sa aton diha may mga prepare sa among practice no since we are future communicators and mga alagad ng media. Not only that, na di student college publication ng MASCOM na ni-diagram years back. And kanyo ta siya, nilututa siya nga avenue, aron ma-practice na mo ang among craft, ang among, kung sa ginamong goal, igawas ginamong sa universities, which would become then media practitioners and media people.
Our equipment, our funds,
And facilities of course. With equipment of course sa FASO.
the equipment sa FASO. The recent thing that we need right now is our storage. And the thing that is occupying our storage is our old artworks. And these artworks need to be sold. So how can this be sold if FASO is in lack of attention in our exhibits, in our events? So this will be helped by the collaboration of the MASCOM and Fine Arts students to publicize our events in which it will help the FASO.
And now with facilities, we need to have greater scope no facilities, especially sa MASCOM while we edit videos, of course to promote our well-rounded products na among ma-promote ang UP Cebu. And of course the funds.
Sa funds, kung madungagan ang funds sa FASO, this will actually help support our local artists and promote them to UP students and to the artist community of Cebu.
And of course the funds with MASCOM, this is very important with the production. And of course sa among pangita og equipment, of course sa among sources, sa among pag-gather of data. Now, dapat atong panginusgan na naay Arts and Humanities Alliance para na ay maka-air out sa atong concerns in line with these three factors that could really help us to promote the best interest of the two programs. O ato ning panginusgan po, pinaagi sa tabang sa seed funding under the banner of UTS, ipanginusgan dyan na ni Jules Paxson, ni Kuya Paxson, para sa maka-help sa organizations, no, especially sa PASO o sa COMAP.
There is a possibility na mawala ng mga work most ng mga G teachers kaya mga chop man ang mga different na mga subjects under each cluster. Then ako kayo na siya gitay sa AH kaya there's may possibility give na gamay na lang ang mga teachers ang mga trabaho and teach sa mga estudyante.
Not only that, ma-affected man sa ginang estudyante with this new GA framework and this GA reduction since we as scholars ng bayan, we are well known na we receive a well-rounded and multidisciplinary kind of education. And to do that, to specialize students would make them somehow receive less of the learning that an scholar would receive. Specialized na lang siya, pero sa dili na bitaw siya exposed to other issues or di siya kay bound sa pagtapos sa other issues in seeing things in another light. Okay, specialized na siya, dili na siya multidisciplinary and well-rounded attitude.
Arts and Humanities cluster is composed of MASCOM and Fine Arts, which is basically should revolve around the ever-dynamic changing in the society. Now, our response to this is to have a well-rounded individuals, just that could attack or to somehow generate ideas that would promote the best interest of all people. Now, how are we going to achieve this is we are confined with a fixed subjects, Jules.
Because as a fine arts student, our perspective will be lessened if with the reduction of the GE subjects. Because these GE subjects actually influence our artworks, and then the humanities and the social sciences are the clusters that are really affected by this GE reform.
Now, in line with MASCOM, we should have an interrelation between our sources. Now, how are we going to have a thorough answer if we are limited with these subjects again? That is why atong panghimusgan ang student representation, Jules, di ba? Kaya ang kaning nga student representation, dili lang ni siya na limit sa GE reform, kundi sa mga nagkadaiya o nagkalaing-laing issue na may tungod sa estudyante po. That is why GE reform would result to a not flexible MASCOM and fine arts students. We will be myopic, and this would hamper to the development of our different fields.
Oh, Jude, considering that the fine arts population is very low, kung usa ko ka-estudyante nga Pol Sci nga nag-take og humanities 1, this will help me find myself in which I'm really good at. And actually, I realized there that I am good as a fine arts student. So the GE subjects will actually help it will actually help ourselves to realize.
That is why student representation could promote a social mobility and to have a flexible and wider scope of our fields.